let's make some deep psychological analysis. I think 7 is Marth. And the reason why I think 7 is Marth is for this. This guy's a townie who came out and said random town. This guy's a townie who came out and said random town. These guys are just having fun. They jumped in, right? They jumped on the bandwagon. They're like, haha, I'm townie, whatever, right? Townie's got majority in this. Marth have the minority. This dude is nervous. They're kind of stressed out. They just rolled Marth. They saw people saying this, and to take the edge off, they said, you know what? I CC random town too. And then they wrote it in. Therefore, 7 evil. Oh, alright, let's see. 7 instantly leaves the game. Yep.